Yeah, you know, tuning. Long story short, that's my pillow talk. Welcome abroad. Yeah, you know, this entire time when I'm in Detroit slash Detroit, I'm Polish, but you can hear that I love coup de grace. So, my grace take about towards your greatness. Yeah, feel laughed a bit more. Alright, avalanche of rhymes, actually lava lunch, because it's hot as fuck, and I launch it right now like volcano, thrown past into ash, dust into dust. TM is a real language you can speak, and average one you never heard about. Yeah, you know, it wasn't quick. I was trying to call me to hear since I heard you loud when you cried out in the midst of the night. Alright, so fast forward, not rewind. That's what I dropped when Jared Goff was shooting goals slash scoring points, so Lions won. I don't know. You know, right, stopped. Charges died out to drop by final judge in final time, with Starlight in lineup, opening crown chakra of crowd. Marsh. Fire of my prior firm can't be resolved, called Sherlock Holmes to unlock these doors, just to close them more. With padlock of gold to anchor those words overboard, prophets told. Ye, pain and phantom, it goes as random, like some clone fucking trolls. Even though all parental advisors are gone, with survivors, as minors, orphans, now high, alone from before we was born, yet conjoined, somehow. Entrance to chariot periods on our road, fast forwards, on track, and thought picking, but of course, yeah, no remorse. Yeah, twin flames, we will prevail. It's written in our natal charts, and all chance, plus latest spells, my love, Marshall, we're at home, in our own touch, wrapped, rap, highest thoughts in punchlines, plus smiles we share across path we chose, when those damn foes choked on coke. What? Entire cloak abound and foam in toxic shock. After my punchlines, I write every time I close my eyes. I see your life in music notes online. Oh my! Turn on my Wi-Fi so I might guides like I done Hutchinson crowd a slight house, even if past in your own home was dark as fuck. Marshall, like asshole of Satan, or this metaphor, blatant fountain slash source of light over Manhattan from Detroit through Dubai, shine loud like fireworks on festival. You are the chance we prayed for. I'm femme, final, not fatal, and I'm your half of soul, high, and a divine, not a porn star, but star to guide you from cosmos into life, all traumas across as triumph of God. After you divorced dark part of own time, and realized that regardless, it wasn't effortless to be aligned with heart, while blood being so poisoned in past. Love is God, what the fire avatars by design. You are God of a freestyle, I'm a freestyle of God. Let's recombine, and that signal that we arrived, intertwined, space and time reunite. Every night plus when daylight down to dusk shines above underground, straight up from sky height. Force will end up in graveyards. Poetic justice o'clock, thank you Lord Pack. Proof, jazz, see a kill, and all of those AC is real in this pyramid. pyramid, in this industry and that side, on fast speed, count and tie whatever was alive. My whisper is registered as magical picture, and I'm this screw you missed. You know this, right? Plus this piece you found. Indeed, I do insist for you to receive importance of this portal of rhymes as I sang. You protected on mic, however you know stranger to reckless, so my candles dances along sensei Jedi March. Ready or not, you might smile, here I come, ta-da! My wizard teach me immediately, love ain't on Netflix, it's right now, in my blood. I know your heart is crazy, but I ain't allergic to chestnuts, so maybe seem shady, most victorious who ever lived, stop pretending that you cold as ice. Yes, you had me. You are love of my life. Stand up, stand up. This is emerging like emergency, and it's insanely important to jump through this portal into trust. So I did. Join me. Shine light. Even without Jason Voorhees' mind. I adore each act of your presence. Within space and time. Marshall. I love you. Let's unite. Right. This is Sound of Life.